So what we're going to do is share how we open a new class. It's not a new course, it's a new class. Do you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
So let me open here. Let me go to Academy City. Let me go here. Academy City. Okay. Now, let me just remember. Okay, I got to my account, and since I'm an administrator, I can do it. And the course you want to do, it really is part of the framework of software engineering. When I click here, you see the existing classes. Okay, this is all the stuff that we had so far. Okay, I'm going to create a new class. New class, you click on this icon. You see that? It says create, and you have a little icon here. Okay, I'm clicking on it. How do we want to call this class?
That's to JavaScript.
I'll give it a nice name. That's a have certificate too, to have always a nice name. And certificate 1 would get another name, and for certificate 3 would have a name. How do you call a lion, a baby lion in English? Is there a name for a baby lion?
Yes, it's a cow.
Halfway, isn't it? Baby lion. Called, here we go, baby lion. Okay, a baby lion called cub. So how about we'll call certificate 1 to be cubs? Is that right? Okay.
Yes.
So, and what is after a baby? A yacht. Let's write yacht. Maybe there's a name to that. That will be really good. I don't know. Something like that kind of things. Cubs. Yeah, but we don't want cubs. How do you call something a little bigger? Is there other names?
It's a cow. Then
Cubs. How about we call bears? We'll do bears. And now we'll call lions. How that? Isn't cubs is true for all the kind of animals? Cubs is babies, isn't it? Not
Yeah.
only for lions, or that's true for, let's say, other animals?
Only
it's
for
only for
lion.
lions.
Only for lions? Cubs is only for lions?
Yes.
Okay. So if we want to do, how do you call mature lion? You know, what the other things? What is group of lion cubs called? What are lions cubs called? Hold a second, this is good. How do you call a group of lions called? How do you call them? Here we go, this is good. A baby lion is called a lionette. You see that?
Yeah.
And then what is whelps or simply cub? Okay, so we can call them cub, okay? And then what is after cubs? What do you have, a group of male lions? This is one I would keep for certificate 3. What do you think, Daniel?
Yeah, that's fine.
Because certificate 3 is about group, teamwork, and all of that stuff. But how do you call something in the middle? Should we call a lioness?
I don't think so.
The second one, then is a group. Then we skip the lion. Group of female lion lions. Pride, I didn't know that. I didn't know that Pride is a coalition of lioness. That's interesting. So maybe we should call it a Pride, Brenda, for certificate 3.
Yes, we can maintain, we can leave it.
So what do we do with certificate 2?
Certificate 2, we can call it a coalition, the second one.
Which one? This one? Good. So how about that? Cubs, coalition, and Pride. Does that make sense?
Yes,
That will be for our certificates. So I'm going to copy this name. That's okay?
yes,
It will be cool. People will like it, I think. You know, in the University of Haifa, we call the courses by name of trees. You know, it's kind of cool. I like that. But we want to be in the family of lions. That's what we are. So those names, I like them. So let me start again. I'm going to click here. I'm going to put the name. Okay, and that is going to make a course. Now you wait for it. It says, Academy City says, it doesn't like me. Okay, oh, it shouldn't. Let me see why. Let me refresh. Here we go. So we have a course, okay? See that?
yes.
Now, if you click on it, here, well, what happened? It takes me to here. No, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, that takes me to the course itself. But what I wanted is the edit, not this one. The edit should take me down here, open up a screen on management the course itself, okay? So we will put a price of 500. We'll change that one to 500. So everyone knows that the price is $500. And in a second, I will tell you what we're going to do. Certificate number, that will be number 2. I did a lot of things and I even forgot. We're going to start in December 6th. And let's say we finish, let's try to finish by 3 months from now. So we have December, January, January, February, in March, on my birthday. We finish on my birthday. That's my birthday, by the way, March 5th. That's kind of funny. Okay? Exactly 3 months. Try to stick to 3 months. Eventually, in that, one day, I hope you will open a course every week. And then you can make even condensed courses. But as time goes by, we'll see. I leave this one is active. By the way, who is the instructor? Okay, so let's see. Instructor Brenda. We have Brenda and Opio. Fair enough?
Yeah.
You see, it tells who is the instructor. We will develop those modules as we proceed. You know, you can't really finish everything. Assignment method. Do we want them to work as a group or as individuals? What do you say? I think in this certificate too, it's good. This is assignment method. Assignment method. I will explain that in the future. Let's see if it's individual. I'll explain later on. Minimum student per team, it would be 2. And maximum student per team would be 3. Maximum number of teams, minimum number, let's make here 3. And let's make here maximum number of team. Let's leave it 7. That's fine. One day I will explain to you what it does. It has a lot of things that I have done. Okay, done. Good. Now the children of the matter are really not, that's not what I really wanted. One more things we need to do. So this stuff, by the way, is supposed to save everything automatically, really. So everything is saved. Good. Now, one more thing that I do want to do, so it won't give you a hard time. Let's say somebody wants to register for this course. Okay? So how we will register? Let's go to the main page. I think we did something, didn't we? This is the program, this is the courses. This is the second one, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's click here. And then we made here a registration. And that's, here we go. You see, it's opened it up beautifully.
Yeah.
By the way, we can hide this one. You see this one? We can hide the second one. But this is over already. Okay? And it's a registered to coalition. We probably should have called it coalition 2020. That's okay. Let's leave it that way. But we want to make life easier. So, because we're not going to activate the payment through the system, so we're going to do something, okay, like here. So first of all, I want to remove this one. So how do you remove this one? If you go back to, let me go back to Academy City. You go back here. You go here. And you know, here you can see there's two classes. This one is over already. So we want to remove it from not to be active here, okay? So we can go here again and I click here. And then if you go to the one which is July, you click here and then on the bottom, you take this one out. It's not active anymore. Got it?
Yeah.
Gone. Now, if you go back here and you try to register, what is this one? No, this is machine learning. That's not what I wanted. A program, no, not this one. We want to go here. So in here, they go to registration. You will see there's only one. Got it?
Yes.
We have a full control to open a new one. God willing, we will have 3 or 4 opening at the same time. That would be really, really nice. Got it? For now, we start one at a time. You have a coupon. You see that? It says coupon. Okay?
Okay.
So a student can put a coupon. So let's create a coupon. And I will show you how I create a coupon. One day we'll make a screen to open it up. For now, we'll go through. You go here. We'll go to the admin. I didn't have time to make a screen for it, for coupons. And where is I think it's in the courses, if I'm wrong. Courses, you see courses? Here we go. You see coupons? Yeah, here we go. We have coupons. And let's create a new coupon. You see, I created a lot of them as I went. To make life easy, you click add. And which product? What is the product we want to do? It's the coalition. You see the course coalition we created? It's right there. So I choose it and I give it a code. So how about we call it C, okay, 100. That will be the code of the coupon. Okay, the coupon will be valid to whoever, let's click today, and we keep the coupon to be until when? That's the time, let's say now, whatever, let's say do now, and valid date. Until when it should be valid, this coupon. Whoever is, no, it's okay, it doesn't really make any difference. It's for now, we're not really using it as it's up to the 5th when the course is over. Fair enough? Discount, we'll give them 100. It's already a discount. We just don't want them to have to go through the process of payment. So when I put 100%, it will not ask them to put any payment, and I will explain. I'm clicking on it, I'm saving, and now we have a coupon. You see, we have a new coupon, C100. Now, let me go back to here. So let me refresh the whole things. You explain to them they have to log in, they have to be logged in, and when you're logged in, you go here and you click on courses. Fair enough? Now I go to here, I go down, you click register. And now you put the coupon, which is C, capital C, 100. So far, so good?
So good.
And then you say register to coalition. Bingo. Your registration to the coalition was successful. You need to click on the checkout buttons to complete. So register additional lot, checkout. Click checkout, done. By the way, it shows here as if they paid. You got it? So you tell them, we give them a coupon, but they have to pay that amount. Got it, Brenda?
Yes, doctor.
See, it's like their balance. We're giving them a coupon on the assumption they agreed to pay you the $500. Okay, Brenda?
Okay.
You know, one day I will give you all of that one and you play with this module. So check out and payment, it will be nothing. It's done. They don't need to make any payment. The payment they will pay it to you. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. This way, why is it important? And let me explain why is it important. Now, when you go here as administrator, you go to the courses and you go to the courses. Under this one, you have the coalition, correct? You want to see the students. You see students? You click here. Everyone that register, you see his name down here. Why I don't see it? Why I don't see that?
There's no student register.
Yeah, I should be there. Maybe he doesn't write me because I'm administrator. I don't think so. I should be there. That's funny. Maybe because I'm an administrator. I don't remember. Let's put the, should be there. Let me refresh. So when you click on students, you should get a list in the bottom. Hereby shows me I have number of students enrolled. It shows like no one. March 5th. See, the dates are correct. How come? Let me check that. Okay, let me show you there's a table that should have been filled in the courses. You have a, here we go, course, schedule is main course and the users for a specific course. Now, let's see courses, which one is coalition? Let's see, do I have a filter here or something? No. Here we go, coalition. Yeah, coalition, there is no one. How come? It didn't write me down. That's strange. It shows like I didn't register. While I did register, let's try that again. And there's an arrow, courses, here. Let me refresh again, just to be on the safe side. Okay, I'm gonna click. And what it was, C100. register to coalition. Your registration with the course program was successful. You need to click on the checkout buttons to complete checkout. Here we go. Let's write 1. Everything is fine. Checkout. Yeah. It should have told me. See here. Here. Refresh. Something doesn't work right. I need to check it. It should be okay. See that?
Yeah.
Let me see, first of all, the course is registered. The schedules, course schedules, you see, this one is fine. And you see also you have Brenda and Opia should be there. Instructor should be there too. I marked it there. See, Opia and Brenda are there. Everything is fine. So I have no idea why. Yeah, there's no target. There's no, that's fine. Everything is fine. I need to check out. Let's do one more. Let's try another thing. Let me try. Someone is not administrator and see if that's the reason. Let me log in. Let me log out. And let me log in as a student. We try as student. Okay, let's go here. Let's go into management, courses, go to now this is his, courses completed, orders. Let me go back. It's okay. Let's go from here and see if that's will work now. Let's go here. Let's go register and register to a course. Check out. That's fine. That's up. That should be okay. This is registered. This is okay now. Maybe because I'm an administrator. Okay. Let's go into here. Let's go into management. Let's look at his courses. His courses should have, no, I don't see it here. Hold a second. No, it's not working. It should have had another line here. Let me go from here. I need to check why there is an error there. Let me see if it's registered. I don't think it's registered. I have a feeling there's an error. Coalition, students. When you click, no, doesn't. There's some error in the registration for some reason. With the coupon. That's one way to do it. I want to keep the coupon there. I will check why it doesn't take me. Try that one more time. Management courses. No, take it. This part is working right. If you put a coupon, it shouldn't stop, which it does, it's okay. You see, your registration is fine. It shouldn't really give me this one. If I put a coupon, which is 100% discount, then it shouldn't really show that it should go away. No, the reason is for that probably. Yeah, it shouldn't really. There's some error here. Okay. It should tell you your registration was completed successfully, but it doesn't. I will take a look at it. We've made several changes that probably affecting our success. Yeah, it doesn't take it. You know, theoretically, you can do it manually, but I don't want to make it manually. Daniel, I think we will go over there together, okay? And we'll fix it together. And then you will learn the mechanism, how it was designed. But I don't know why. It's probably the last element in the registration process that got stuck for some reason. I'll fix it out. We'll fix it. I probably have made a change. I did a lot of changes, and probably there's something have gone wrong there. So, by the way, really just to understand the way it works, hold a second, does it have an order there? In his registration. See, there's all the orders. See, this is the two things that we, no. 4314. No, see, there's errors here. I need to fix some stuff here. Yeah, I probably have made some changes here and something gets stuck here. I'll fix it. Okay, this has to be done together, and but I want to finish the corporate valuation before I dive into this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For now, I recommend you just leave it for now, and then by tomorrow, hopefully, I will finish, and then we'll go over it. Can we have a session in the morning tomorrow, Daniel, Brenda? Something like 11, your time, 11, 12,
12 will be fine, doctor.
will be fine?
12, yeah.
Okay, I will try to finish the corporate valuation, and I do want to go over with you over this one to do it together. So we'll fix it together so you learn the mechanism of all the registration process. Okay, Brenda, this is mostly for you, Brenda. And then at the same time, in fact, that's what I wanted to do with you, is go over the accounting methods, okay? And then we'll take it as a project to develop the whole thing so you can follow up with all the expenses, revenues, payment of the student. Student will get they will get the confirmation what they paid, how much they owe. Got it?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so let's leave that one. By the way, just a little bit, this is really a module. You want to look at them. I don't know this one, so. Okay, let's go and look at this one. When you look at the See, this is the place where we organize all the courses. You know, you have, he doesn't like me. Which one he does? Which one is which? This one is, this is Academy City. Okay. Let me go into the Academy City. This is something, Brenda, you might even want to learn by heart. This project. In fact, for now, eventually you'll have other people as well help you. This is the way I constructed all the mechanism of the courses. It really is nice. It's really nice. You see, you have courses. This is the way the place, the student, whoever is registered is here. And there should be another, it says order. That's why I didn't want it to touch. There's a table called order. Every student that registered should be here also. So there's one is called order. One table, very important table. There's another table. That's why I don't want to make it manually, because he's updating several tables at the same time. This is the most important. Everyone that registered to a course, his name should be in the list here. Okay? On here, you have all the courses that we created, that I had in the past. This is the one we just created. So we don't have anyone. If you go to the FSE, and this one is also empty. This one here. This is all the people who are in this course. Okay? So, and that's important because we will be able to finance. I think that's when I was teaching those courses. No. Machine learning certificate too. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, those are the guys from Ivory Coast. And that's another one we did probably a while ago. That's whoever was. Here we go. This is your names. Okay, so this one is really, eventually the list will be here, but we will work on it. Okay, hopefully I'll finish the corporate valuation today. Okay, so let's leave that one aside. Just write a note. The next part is really finishing this registration process. I have to fix it and then we'll go over the accounting. But the most important thing is to finish this corporate valuation. So let me share with you what I'm exactly doing. This is really I have an error for some reason, and I have no idea why. This is really the list of all. Let me stop the recording so you'll have a good